welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most anticipated animated films of 2024, Inside Out 2. It's a movie that's not only fun and colorful, but also make us reflect on ourselves. Let's get right into it. Inside Out 2 bring us back into the colorful, imaginative world inside Riley's mind. But this time, Riley is no longer a child. She is officially entering her teenage year, which means everything is changing. Her interests, her friendship, and most importantly, her emotion. The control room that once felt simple and familiar suddenly becomes crowded when four new emotions arrive: anxiety, envy, embarrassment, and ennui. Their arrival isn't just a small shift, it's completely changed the dynamic inside Riley's head. The story follows Riley as she navigates major life transition. She's trying to fit in with a new teammates, dealing with shifting friendship and stressing about the future. In the middle of all this pressure, anxiety decides it's time to take control. At first, her intention seems good. She genuinely wants to protect Riley and help her prepare for what ahead. But very quickly, her influence becomes overwhelming. Anxiety pushes Riley to obsess over every possibility of failure, every tiny detail, and every worst case of scenario. It's a portrayal of overthinking that feels incredibly accurate, especially for today's generation. Meanwhile, joy and the original emotion find themselves pushed aside, forced out of the control room and into the far corners of Riley's mind. This is set up a new adventure, one that mirrors the emotional journey many of us go through as we grow older. Joy tries to restore balance while discovering that Riley is changing in ways she didn't expect. The inner world expands with the new places, new concepts, and new visual metaphors from the complicated feeling that come with growing up. Pixar adds layers of Riley's mind that are imaginative, funny, and surprisingly deep. What truly stands out in this movie is how emotionally mature it is. Compared to the first movie, which explored childhood innocence and basic emotional awareness, Inside Out 2 dives straight into the messy, confusing, and overwhelming reality of adolescence. A scientist steals the spotlight with a performance that feels incredibly relatable. Her frantic energy, constant worry, and desperate need to control everything perfectly capture what it's like to deal with pressure of self-doubt. She doesn't feel like a feeling, she feels like an emotion we all know too well. The humor in this movie is also landed effortlessly. Embarrassment is giant, awkward present at a loss of charm, while envy and ennui bring their own brand of comedy. Even with heavier themes, the film is never forget to be fun. At the same time, the movie sends a powerful message about emotional balance. As Riley grows older, her emotions become more complicated. And the film is show that this isn't something to be feared, it's a natural part of becoming who we are. Every emotion, even the uncomfortable ones, play an important role. Anxiety prepares us for uncertainty, sadness helps us build empathy, joy reminds us of what matters, and even ennui reflects the stage when we start questioning the world around us. One of the most striking messages on this movie is that identity isn't fixed. It shifts as we experience new things, meet new people, and feel new emotions. Riley's belief about herself evolved throughout the movie, showing that growing up means learning to accept part of ourselves we don't always understand. This theme feels incredibly relevant today, especially for teens and young adults who face academic pressure, social expectation, and constant comparison. In the end, Inside Out 2 deliver a warm, funny, and profoundly insightful story about growing up and learning to accept emotional complexity. The visuals are stunning, the storytelling is mature yet accessible, and the emotional depth is something that resonates long after the movie ends. It's a sequel that not only lives up to It's a sequel that not only lives up to the original but expands its world in meaningful ways. Overall, Inside Out 2 is warm, funny, and deeply touching, perfect for anyone who's growing, changing, or simply trying to understand themselves better. My rating is 9 out of 10, definitely must watch. If you are watching in the film, let know your if you watch the movie, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more review. See you in the next video. Bye bye.